Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here. Today, we are addressing a serious erosion of public trust. The MCMC has issued a directive to all major telcos demanding access to Malaysians' mobile phone metadata without consent, without transparency, and without any meaningful safeguards. The government says it is for statistics, but when you read the fine print, location history, device IDs, call logs, internet access patterns, it becomes crystal clear this is not just data, it's surveillance. What's really happening, guys? And how does the government react when people raise concerns? It censors them. When political commentator Lim CMC, known for his data-driven criticism, posted about government policies, his Facebook page was taken down without warning, no explanation, just vanished. When Alif Ahmad, the founder of Screwed, a platform that helps the public avoid falling for car buying scams, merely suggested a background check on a high-profile advisor, he got a visit from the police. When YB Amira Aisha joined a peaceful rally demanding MCC accountability, she was called in for questioning. And now even Rafizi Ramli, a senior leader in the ruling coalition, is speaking out about the intimidation faced by ordinary netizens who commented on PKR's party elections. Some had their phones and SIM cards seized. Some were told they were under official investigation. If a current minister who has just tendered his resignation, his supporters and independent commentators like his supporters and commentators alike are all being targeted, then this is no longer a partisan issue. It is systemic. When Saudari Wong Siu Man from our MCA Youth Wing posted a factual critique of the MCMC data directive, she too is being hauled up by the police for further investigation. And yet the government expects us to believe this data grab has nothing to do with control. They say nothing to worry about. Well, the louder the government shouts nothing to see here, the more Malaysians are being silenced. What is at stake? Let's not kid ourselves. Metadata can be weaponized. It can tell where you sleep, who you talk to, where you go to pray, whether you attended a protest, or even whether you visited a hospital or political event. And once this data is in the hands of political actors, all bets are off. Ladies and gentlemen, MCA stands. The Malaysian Chinese Association stands firmly for data accountability and privacy rights. We are not here to fight technology. We are here to fight abuse. We propose the following. Number one, transparent anonymization protocols independently audited. Second, a real opt-out for users not buried in legalese. Number three, mandatory public consultation before any future data collection. Number four, legal reforms to expand the PDPA to cover government agencies. Number five, enforceable data deletion timelines. Number six, an end to digital intimidation. Malaysians must be free to speak without fear. And finally, number seven, a truly independent oversight mechanism, not another rubber stamp. As a conclusion, this is not a partisan issue. It is a civic one. When criticism is met with censorship and data collection is met with intimidation, it is no longer just about statistics. It is about the kind of country we are becoming. Data is power, and unchecked power, as we all know, leads to abuse. Let's not wait until privacy becomes a privilege for the powerful and surveillance become the new normal.